yung contact nitong ating um, suspect ay nasa Japan also. Yes, in-stop niya na may parating dyan na dalawang Japanese national, sunduin mo. And then he planned out for the execution of these two Japanese national.
How did Abel further describe the mastermind? Was he involved in crime?
Ongoing pa po yung ating investigation. So, ma'am, hope you understand na hindi mo na natin i-disclose yung information at marami pa po tayong hinahanap na informations para sa identity nitong mastermind.
Bakit si Abel yung pinili ng ating mastermind to undertake this operation? May ginawa na po ba siyang trabaho for the mastermind before at may criminal involvement po ba si Abel apart from this operation? Because he was described as a tour guide.
Initially, ma'am, we described him as a tour guide kasi wala pa po tayong identity sa kanya. Initial investigation natin through witnesses, ang sinasabi na natin mga witnesses, ay meron isang Pilipino na nagdala sa dalawang Japanese national. So from that, may mga witnesses na nag-identify sa ating first suspect, and also at that moment, hinahanap din natin kung identified din ng ating mga witnesses yung suspect number 2, yung ating gunman. So, initial investigation disclosed also na before dumating yung ating foreign nationals dito sa Pilipinas, nagkakantak na ng K6 surveillance itong grupo nila. At hinahanap na nila yung mga spot na pwede nilang gawin yung assassination dun sa two Japanese national. So, based on CCTVs na nag-gather natin, forward tracking and back tracking, nakikita natin sila sa area ng Malate, Ermita, going to top, ay ikot-ikot naglalakad at tinitingnan nila yung mga CCTV. Pwede silang mahalin. Yes, boss.
Yes, we were.
Ikaw na lang.
Joanna Balyaran po from GG Press. Sir, mga follow-up questions lang po. No? What are the victims doing in Manila and when did they arrive in the Philippines?
They arrived at on August 15, 2025. Maraming initially, so sa ating pagtatanong dito sa ating suspect, 2014, dumating na sila dito noong August. So nag-stay sila sa Okada. Siguro naglaro sila doon ng casino. Kasi basically yung information na nakuha natin, lagi ito naglalaro ng casino. So every month or every 2 months, pupunta sila sa Pilipinas para maglaro lang ng casino.
So they're regular visitors?
Yes, regular
Okay.
visitors.
So why would they be targeted? Is this incident part of dealings of organized crime syndicate that's lurking in the Philippines?
Ongoing pa po yung ating investigations, gagather pa tayo ng mga informations and evidences kung bakit or involved ba sila sa organized crime.
Last question for me na lang po, no, kasi may happy na po. 9 million each
9
person
million for the group.
for the group. So, yung dalawang
Pesos.
hit na po yun.
Yes.
Yung dalawang
Yes.
hits.
Okay. Microphone.
Good afternoon. I'm Ellen Cruz of Tokyo Shimbun. Tatanong ko, una kong tanong, a clarification, sir, sa nauna your earlier statement. So, the suspect is a Japanese in Japan who contracted someone here to facilitate the killing. Is that right?
We are still having further investigation sa incident.
So, parang ganun, sir, na the mastermind is not really in the Philippines, tama ba?
Nag-iimbestiga po ito, ma'am. I will not divulge personally. Mga details.
Sir, my second question is are the families of the two victims already here in Manila?
Mas probably nun, nandito na kasi nakapag-pay na tayo ng death certificate. At nakapag-coordinate man po tayo sa CDC regarding this matter.
Pero hindi pa po sila pumunta sa LTV.
Wala pa po.
Thank you.
Ayun.
Theodolus, Japanese News Agency. So yung 9 million, bakit kaya 9 million, hindi 10? And para saan? Insurance money? Or may utang? May...
Ito ay information lang naman galing sa ating mga suspect. So, hindi natin na itanong kung bakit hindi nag-request. Siguro, yun lang afford ng ating mastermind. For the execution of the plan. Based on our debriefing sa ating suspect, kasi itong suspect natin nag-gamit yung driver. So, sabi niya, this
Japan.
No ma'am, here.
Here.
Philippines.
The tour guide.
Kaya ma'am. So, lagi niyang hinahire ko as driver. And then, he stated na merong problema sa kanila. Pero may konsehan sa grupo nila. So, yes ma'am, sir, yes. We're also still investigating this matter.
Sir, sorry. So, i-clarify ko lang for the record. Yung Robina Asido from Daily Manila Shimbun from Japanese Hospital. So, yung motive, sir, na-establish natin.
Isa sa mga motive natin dito yung konsehan sa grupo.
Anong klaseng on-site, sir? Sorry.
Not necessarily, hindi pa natin na-disclose kung ano yun. But basically, yun lang naman ang naibigay na information sa atin.
Related po ba sa complaint?
Wala.
Business. Okay. Sir, follow-up question na, sir. Yung tungkol po dun sa proceedings kanina, yung press proceedings, tapos yung pag-file sa prosecutor, can you give us update, sir? Can you share what is the exact case that was filed? Tama ba, sir? Double murder and theft.
Yes.
Theft case. Double murder, sir.
Murder case.
Murder. Dalawa kasi yung namatay.
Hi Sir, Bigger Ramos po from Univision. Sir, yung tungkol po sa mga suspects, can you give us po information kung anong background nila, business naman ba sila, ano po yung trabaho po nila sa Japan?
Yung ating suspect, ma'am, is not from Japan. Nandito sila sa Pilipinas. So, based on
Yung victim,
background...
sir, yung victim.
Victim. Initial investigation natin, ma'am, we were just... wala pa tayong initial na nakukuha. Pero based dito sa statement ng ating suspect, isa itong system engineer yung isa. Yung isa ay wala siyang particular job.
Sino po doon ang systems engineer?
Yung si Hideki Satori. Ay, yes ma'am, Hideki Satori, 53 years old. From Fukuoka.
Last question.
Ana Cerezo po, Tokyo Broadcasting. Sir, tatanong ko lang about yung 9 million. Na-receive ba nila yung payment or paano yung terms nila?
Wala silang naisabing terms kasi very abrupt yung ating collaboration ng regional police regional office 3, lalo na yung ating regional yung R2, yung PPO ng Pampanga, also NCRTO, and yung ating NPD na collaborate and investigate in this matter. At abrupt, immediate yung ating response, kaya nahuli kagad natin sila. So, wala na silang na-disclose kung paano nila paghahatian yung money na yun. Ang initial investigation, initial debriefing natin sila, they said na ang natanggap lang nila yung unang pabayad na
How much?
10,000.
Pesos.
Yes.
Sir, yung isang victim, meron siyang tattoo sa likod niya.
Yes, ma'am.
Relation ba po yun sa JP Travel na grupo?
Ongoing pa po ma'am ang ating investigation.
So last question though from Colonel.
Again, ladies and gentlemen,